In the previous lesson, we talked about when to use the. In this video, we discuss the important difference between count and non-count nouns. This is essential for deciding when to use a, an, or no article. Count nouns are for things that we think about as individuals and that we can count. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars. Most things are count nouns. For example, phones, animals, problems, friends, and burgers. Most non-count nouns are mostly for things that we don't think about as individuals. Often these are materials. For example, ice, water, salt, rice. When we do want to count these things, we need to use a measurement. 2 bags of rice, 3 bowls of rice, 5 grains of rice. There are some things that we can think about as either a material or as an individual. There are some things that are grammatically non-count nouns in English, even though you think you can probably count them. Many of them are very similar to a count noun. Chairs, furniture, bags, luggage, facts, information, knowledge, dollars, coins, money. Beware that there are also some irregular plurals which have no S. 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, not sheeps. 1 fish, 2 fish, not fishes. 1 salmon, 2 salmon, not salmons. The difference between count and non-count nouns is important for choosing a and no article. Watch the next video to learn more.